Y'all, so this is DSoleil Twins here. First things first is I wanted to measure out how much hair I actually wanted in my ponytail because you don't want to do too much, and that's the key to this. The back, I just did some dookie braids. There were about 4 of them, and then I'm just going to stick it through the other braids. Now, please don't ask me why I had the grand idea to use this hot comb because it was way too hot, and after about 2 passes, I was like, oh no, it'll be fine. We're using my favorite even control to go ahead and slick my hair into a top knot bun, and make sure that you make the littlest bun out of your natural hair as possible, because once the actual wraparound is on, you don't want to be able to see through it. I'm going to start pulling out some of my edges. That face is beat. I did an amazing job. But this is the pack. I'm going to make sure I write it down below for you all as well, or link it down below. It's the Instant Half Up, Half Down 1 in 4 styles. I got it in the color 1 because my hair is actually dyed jet black. And I wanted to make sure you all know too, there are other textures. So if you don't like this texture, they did have like 4 other textures in there. So the company is Sensational. I found it in the hair store for like $24.99. It was so juicy right out of the pack. Like, it was so much bounce to it. This is just the back piece, y'all. The back piece. How many inches is it? I'm not sure, but if I had to guess, I would say about 18 or 20. There were 3 combs in it. Now, they are a little awkwardly placed, but once you get the back piece on, you'll start to see why. I think there's 2 clips that go at the top, and then there's 1 clip that goes into the side of your braids. And I'm just trying to get that adjusted on my head because you want to make sure it fits snug as a bug in a rug. What was so cool about this style is that in the back is the drawstring thing. You remember when we used to have those drawstring ponytails? They have a drawstring in the back and you can just simply tighten it on there. It was so nice. I mean, it fits so snug. You would have thought this was a customized wig. The hair already came curled, so that's when I knew I snapped. Like, even the back looked good. I had to cheer for myself, girl. So in 2022, we are celebrating all wins, and this half up part was definitely a W. She had 2 clips in her as well, except one was at the top and the other clip is on the side. So it took me like 2 tries to figure out how that top piece was supposed to be placed. But once I ended up getting it settled is when I realized, oh my goodness, I need someone to hold it up. I mean, you can easily put some rubber bands or something to hold it up, but I have a little sister and that's what she's there for. So I had her hold the top for me as I tried to wrap the back around. And then you're going to need bobby pins. Please, 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 please secure this with some bobby pins. Now, you can wear it just out of the house with no bobby pins, but for me, all the videos I watch where they snatch wigs, not that anybody snatching this wig, I wanted some bobby pins, and plus I need a little bit of stability in my life, like my boyfriend or my husband or my daddy. So I needed some stability, and I ran to get me some bobby pins, honey. I only show you about 2 on camera, but I used about 4 in real life. Okay, so right here, I'm just trying to get it adjusted. And I was like, oh my goodness, this is out of the pack. Y'all, this is fresh out of the pack. I beat that face, girl. But then I realized my edges wasn't done. My sister was trying to get in the video, but my edges weren't done. So I went back in with some of that even that even edge control, and I just wanted to grab some of the edges on there. I was trying to be very careful because I had did my makeup and I didn't want, to start dragging bronzer and contour all over the place. But I'm just going to use my little toothbrush. Don't talk about my toothbrush. This is just for my edges. I do not use this for anything other than my edges. And can we just take a second to get into this $24.99 hair? I love it. Thank you so much for watching.